What's up, everybody? I got this machine. The brand is Nuova Simonelli, and there is a couple problems here. As you can see, it's a little burned out right here, and also there's a little hole. I don't know if you can see right there, and that caused short on this board. Now it's quite old machine, and I'm just trying to see if I can find the model number on this one. And apparently I'm not quite sure where the model number is. It should be on the frame somewhere. Let's see if I can find something. By the way, this is the element, and I tested the element. The element tested good for continuity. The only problem is here. So you can see, this looks like a big transformer. You have a couple relays. Looks like 2 capacitors. I'm not sure. This is probably some information aligned from the touchpad right here. A few capacitors, some diodes. It's quite easy board. The only problem is I can't find this board anywhere, and I also can't find the model number for this machine. I'll try to see underneath, but this is the problem I'm facing, and hopefully I can get this one fixed. Like, I found the problem, I just can't find the model number. Maybe it's on the other side. Let's see. No, it's like, otherwise I'm in trouble because I don't know where the model number. Anyways, I'll keep you updated on this, but this is the problem I'm facing here, and I need to replace this, otherwise the machine would not operate. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below. Thank you. Bye-bye.